Welcome to the breathtaking Buchan Ness Lighthouse, a historic landmark on Scotland's stunning Buchan coastline. Boddam, a charming seaside village, is home to this towering structure that has guided sailors for nearly 200 years. Before its construction, many ships fell victim to the harsh North Sea, crashing into the rugged cliffs. In 1819, renowned engineer Robert Stephenson was commissioned to design a lighthouse that would warn sailors of the treacherous coastline. Completed in 1827 using granite from a local quarry, the lighthouse stands 115 feet tall with 166 steps leading to the top. In 1907, a distinctive red band was painted to make it more visible during the day, and in 1910, a powerful dioptric light system was introduced, significantly increasing its brightness. Before automation in 1988, lighthouse keepers lived here, working tirelessly to maintain the light and ensure safe passage for ships. Today, visitors can explore the area, stay in the beautifully restored cottages, and take in the stunning views of the North Sea. Just a short drive away, the Bullers of Buchan offers dramatic sea cliffs, nesting seabirds, and even glimpses of seals and dolphins. Buchan Ness Lighthouse remains a beacon of history, resilience, and natural beauty, a must-visit destination on Scotland's coastline.
Now the snow is falling. The wild ocean rages, the four winds bitter moan. Come home, sweet child, for Scotland is calling. It's time to return to your own. The long years have passed, the past is in mourning. The day's been so vast, since you went away. So come home, sweet child, for Scotland is calling. And the sadness of exile's no way to end your days. And you left in search of glory and the warmth of the sun, but never found your glory when the warm sun was gone. Yes, you left in search of glory and the warmth of the sun, but never found that glory when your dreams were done. The streets that you knew never knew ancient Totten. The streets where you grew were harsh and dark and mean. The childhood you knew was hard as it was Spartan, but still it's the land of which you always dream. You've heard a song in strange and distant places, that song of a wrongs, of a martyrs and a kings. You've sung that song to strangers with kind faces, touched by the sadness a song always brings. And you left in search of glory and the warmth of the sun, but never found your glory when the warm sun was gone. Yes, you left in search of glory and the warmth of the sun, but never found that glory when your dreams were done. So come home, sweet child, now the snow is falling. The wild ocean rages, the four winds bitter moan. Come home, sweet child, for Scotland is calling. It's time to return to your own. It's time to return to your own. It's time to return to your own.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel content.